does that do? See, it begins to change your belief system. See, the way in which we operate, ladies and gentlemen, is a manifestation of what we believe, what's possible for us. Whatever you've done up to this point, all that it really is a duplication, it's a reproduction of what you believe subconsciously that you deserve and what's possible for your life. Most people operate out of their personal history, out of their memory, things they've done, things they've experienced, things they've seen, things that they have observed. But I'm suggesting that you operate out of a larger vision of yourself. I want you to see yourself doing what you want to do, experiencing what you want to experience, having what you want to have, doing what it is that gives your life some meaning and value.
But I'm exactly where I want to be because I realize I gotta commit my very being to this thing. I gotta breathe it, I gotta eat it, I gotta sleep it. And until you get there, you'll never be successful in life. But once you get there, I guarantee you, the world is yours. So work hard and you can have whatever it is you want.
What is the one thing that you understood? What is the one thing that came into your mind as soon as you saw this video? What came to your mind?
There is constant motivation to do things, inner motivation basically.
Fine.
It's me who can change my destiny, who can change myself.
It's yourself, fine, great.
Everything is possible.
Everything is possible.
Self-motivation is a big boost.
Self-motivation is a big boost.
Dream, see, and it's possible if you can achieve it, then follow.
Yeah, that's a driving force. Motivation is a driving force.
See, in the beginning of our life, how sometimes parents, they kill our subconscious mind, that I'm going to illustrate you through this particular illustration. What happens is, let me take my personal story. In the beginning of my life, my father would call me sometimes, and he would say me, there used to be few guests. He would call me at that time, and he would say me that, please sing a song for us. I would sing a song for them, and they would clap. Few days later, I started thinking that I love this attention. When I sing and people clap. Now I started linking this when I do something and when people recognize it, so I have to do something which people recognize. But remember one thing, it was not my call. I was least bothered about singing, but I used to sing only because the next thing that I am going to receive is something what I like. Let's say you want to come first in your classroom, two things can happen. You really wish and you love to see yourself being in the first position, or when you come first, some perks are there waiting for you which your father is going to give you. With another illustration, let's say there was a boy, he scored 6 on 10. The father asked him, how much he scored? He said 6. How much Nilima scored? He said 7. Learn something from Nilima. Go and learn something from her. Then again next time, this boy scored 7. He scored 7, that means what? He improved himself. He came in front of the father to say the same thing, that I have improved this time, I have one more number. Again the father asked, he was least bothered about the 7, he asked him, how much Nilima scored? And that time Nilima scored 9. This boy said, I don't have any idea how much he scored. For the very first time, this boy cheated his father. That is how parents, they install something bad which we call, and it goes inside the mind of a boy. Now next time when father is going to ask him how much he scored, he definitely and certainly he is going to say, she scored 4. Because now you have indulged him by saying that you are a competitor, you are not a creator. But remember one thing, if you want to achieve something good in your life, you have to see yourself as a creator but not competitor. Remember this point in your life. That is the biggest insight, that you are the creator of your destiny. You are not the competitor. You are your own self. So today I am going to give you this activity sheet where you have to write exactly what you want in your life. Please write exactly what you want in your life and what are the things that will really motivate you to achieve this thing. But before this, I would again like you to understand a very key section of this particular self-motivation program. See, what happens is, how universe works. Let's say God is a Google. You say, I want to work in the best organization. Now here is God. The PA takes the file. And the God asks, okay, what Hetal is asking today? Hetal is asking that I want to work in a best organization. Come on, yeah. What is the best organization? What is the definition of best organization? Put that file away. Somebody says, I want to work in Jindal. Oh yeah, in Jindal. Then again, in which unit? In this particular department. Okay, give me that file. You have to be very specific of what you want. Let's say you hate football. The moment you write, I hate football in Google, what you will end up with? Tell me what you will end up with. The moment you write, I hate football, you will perhaps get each and everything that is directly or indirectly correlated with the terminology so-called football. So what we have to do in our life, first of all, we have to be very specific, we have to be choosy. Here you saw an example where Arnold Schwarzenegger, he was really trying himself very hard to get into that fittest of the fittest state. Sachin Tendulkar, when he was interviewed, you know what did he say? He said, my 24 precious years were lost in only 22 yards. Come on, you look at the focus of that particular man. Muhammad Ali, when he was interviewed, he said, I am always the great and I am the champion. The man who came to fight with him, he was also there with the belt, and he said, you have the belt, but see, I am the great and I am the champion. And he became a champion. You have to have that firm conviction that you are a champion. You have everything. God has fulfilled your life with each and everything. So I want you to focus on that activity sheet right now. You write that goal, but please don't that mistake of writing just goal. It has to be very specific. Exactly what you want in your life. Exactly what exactly you want. First of all, you write what exactly you are looking for in your life. Life has in its store tons of steps, but out of that, what exactly you want? Take time, 1 minute, please take time, and then write it. What exactly do you want in your life? What exactly? Be as specific as you can. And trust me, God is also watching you right now. He's going to fulfill it. So please make sure. I'll give you only 2 minutes to do the same. In the first section, you have to write it. Keep your dream in your mind is the first section. And then write the next one. Describe 3 signs you will make to keep that dream into your mind. The most important and the fundamental step is the dream has to be there in the mind for long so that it can manifest into this real world. How to manifest? What are the 3 signs that will make you keep that dream in your mind? And last but not the least is to maintain a positive attitude. Name 2 people who have already met this goal before that you want to achieve right now, so that you will walk in their path. So please mention that and see this goal each and every day, in the morning, in the evening, every time. Just look at your dream. You need to water them, you need to plant them every day. Please write that. Hope you're done. So let's summarize soon. What is self-motivation? It is a type of motivation which comes from inside. It is an inner phenomenon. It is not something which others want you to do, rather you want yourself to do. In other language, we can say what is self-motivation it's a driving force to achieve what exactly you love in your life. It's not something what others expect from you in your life. Are you getting the point or not? Yes. That is the basic reason why Sachin Tendulkar is Sachin Tendulkar, why Muhammad Ali is Muhammad Ali, why Donald Trump is Donald Trump, and why Mr. Anthony Robbins is Mr. Anthony Robbins. Because they are doing what they love, they are not doing anything which others want them to do. So I hope I am done with my presentation. If you have any sort of questions, you can ask me. Questions are invited.
How did you plan to find out your goals?
I focused on my strength. When I was in my engineering college, I focused. See, I used to come first in perhaps any public sessions that used to occur in my college. So from there on, I got in touch with that, yes, I can do something best in this particular field. I was equally good in my studies also. In fact, my teachers would always appreciate me for studies. But it was not my love towards the technical studies. My love always remained in this particular section, and that's the reason why I'm here. So I'm doing what I really love. Sure.
How to be self-motivated all the time without losing the focus?
Without losing the focus, exactly. If you have that focus on what you love, it won't go any time away from your mind. The only key thing is you have to have that focus. But sometimes what happens, as soon as you receive your friends, you sit with them, they start with something else. And you get flown away with them. So what you have to do is, you have to first accept the fact that yes, this is for me, this is for him. What he's saying, I don't care what he's saying. Maybe sometimes you want to earn money. He comes up with a different plans that you will earn 20,000. But remember, if you love something, maybe it will give you 2 lakh also one day. So that is actually the best idea. Yes.
So every time you're already self-motivated. To an extent, you can get self-motivated. At one point, when still someone is crashing you up on what you're doing, so how do you handle such situations?
I handle personally by having some positive affirmations in my life. Like one of the positive affirmations that I personally use is, God is always with me and pain is temporary. I use this, and trust me, it is a very powerful affirmation. Whenever you are stuck up somewhere, you just start thinking in your mind, God is with me and I have everything. God is with me and I have everything.
Any other tip that we should use?
You can use anything which really motivates you to achieve your destiny which you want to love. You can look for those people who have really achieved that particular success, You can go, you can surf the internet, you can see their videos. That is how you have to keep reconnecting yourself with the same. That's the best way.
This is a word of a trainer. He says, motivation is an air in balloon, which work around 2 to 3 hours after listen any motivation speech. But as soon as you connect to the outer world, so it may not work. So how we overcome on this?
See, what happens is, few people really say the same thing, but it is their experience. It's not our experience. Don't make others experience your experience. If a man is saying that it is just air in the balloon, it is air in the balloon for him also. That is what he is reflecting from his voice. That does not mean it is air in the balloon for me. 8 years ago, I wanted to see myself as a trainer. Today, I am standing as a trainer, so it is not air in the balloon. In fact, I am carrying that air and I am carrying that balloon each and every single second. So it depends on you, how you motivate.